project worked on in this course. First of all, the type of the building worked on this project is an residential buildings consist of 15 stories plus 1 basement located in Lebanon. The material using in this project was FRMC equal 25 megapascal for horizontal element, slabs and beams, FRMC equals 30 megapascal for vertical element, columns, walls and foundation, Fy equal to 420 megapascal for longitudinal reinforcement, Fyt equal 240 megapascal for transversal and reinforcement. FRMC is the compression strength for concrete using in this project, and Fy and Fyt are the tensile strengths for rebar using in this project. The bearing capacity of soil equals 3 kg per centimeter square. The height of the basement equal to 4 meter. The height of the typical story is equal to 3 meter. We use shear wall system for earthquake design with a coefficient R equal 5.5. And the next section we will show what are the all system for resisting earthquake, why we use shear wall system, what is shear wall system, what is R, and why R equal to 5.5. We continue through to show the structural features of this project. We assume that shear walls, the thickness of shear walls equal to 40 centimeters. Assume that all columns in this project are with minimum dimension equal to 600 by 250 millimeter. And the next sessions we will show how to determine the exact dimension of each type, shear walls and columns. We will use the ACI code for structural design. Now we will begin with showing you what are the type of slabs we will show and use in this project. First of all, in story 1 and 2 we will use waffle slab. We will talk in the next session why we use waffle slab and when we use waffle slab, and what are the difference between story 1 and story 2 and waffle slab. In story 3 we will use ribbed slab. Story 4 we will use flat slab. From story 5 to 16 we use solid slab, and the next session we will talk why we use solid slab, more using solid slab from story 5 to 16. Then we will talk about the advantage of each type of slab, and we will talk how we determine the section of each type of story and the software. We will talk how we determine the section of each slab. Thank you for listening. We will continue our work in the next section. Goodbye.